And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is right now Wednesday, June the 2nd, 2021. Approximate time is 1:20 p.m. and look at this, it's finally completed. The new entrance to the Vendôme Metro Station, right on time. And this is my first time here filming this, and it's also my first time going into this new entrance, so we're going to check it out. Looks like they're doing a bit more work in there, some finishing touches. I'm probably going to do another more complete video at a later date, but for now let's go inside and see what we could see. And I'll let you know right now, there's some stairs here, there's some escalators, and again, this is my first time filming this new entrance, so let's go inside and check it out. Nice fresh construction project, and you remember from my previous updates they were putting the windows in. That's towards the train station, which we'll check out later on, but for now let's go and go this way here and see what we can see. There's your escalator to the Côte Vertu side. There's your stairs going to the Côte Vertu side. If you look down here, you'll see the platform probably. We'll take a little look here and we'll come back up. So there's your metro platform right over here. Down these stairs. Right there. So that's your metro platform. And yeah, I definitely like the blue that they chose for this. Beautiful art, beautiful tiles. There's your elevator, which we'll check out later. That's how I'll conclude the video. Go back through here. You got your fare machine set up there. Alright, here's your entrance to the train station and also to the actual hospital. Looks like we're working on an exit over here. There's your train times. Smells fresh, smells beautiful. There's an elevator that we'll do another day. Takes you down to the MUHC level, also known in French as the CUSM. And again, this connects the Vendôme Metro Station to the commuter train line and also to the hospital. And nice flooring as well. There's another look. Here's the actual, there's an exit for the trains. And there's the access to the actual hospital, so let's go check that out. Definitely smells fresh. And yeah, we'll go through here, see where this tunnel goes. It looks like this goes right to the emergency room, actually. Alright, so we'll go through these doors here. Again, this is my first time going through this entrance, this tunnel. So I don't know exactly where it goes to. Now, according to these signs, it looks like they're bringing us right to the emergency department. Beautiful tunnel though, I must say. Yeah, and there's your hospital right there. So yeah, we'll turn around here, we'll come back, and we'll show you the elevators here. Tell you what, we'll take a elevator ride, might as well. Sorry for the noise. Like I said, they're still doing some finishing touches here. This elevator should take us directly to... Actually, that's not my mistake. It's the next elevator that will take us to the metro station directly. Alright, so before we go into the actual metro level, here's a nice look at these beautiful windows here. There's again the de Maisonneuve entrance. And we're going down to the Montmorency direction, as I'm actually on my lunch break from work right now, so got to get back on time. So we'll take this elevator. This is the one we want. This takes us to the Montmorency direction. One more look behind us. And we'll go inside.
Gare Vendôme et Cuisine. Nous descendons.
I don't know why my video seems a little blurry. But anyways, like I said, I'll do another video another day. Could be the settings that I have it on. And there we are, right back to the platform. Alright, so hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, like I said, I'll get a better one soon enough. Alright, have a good day, everybody.